Good morning, you guys. I have 2 shifts in a row, and so let's drive to work together. It's also so hard to go to work when it's a rainy day. I feel like I'm not usually a negative person when I start these drive to works, but I'm not even gonna lie, I do not want to go to work today. I put myself on the first cancel, like call off list, and I did not get called off, obviously, which is the name of the game, right? Like, I anticipated that I maybe could get called off, maybe not, but mentally I was like preparing myself to be called off. And so when I woke up and I didn't have a missed call saying that I was being called off, I was like, I gotta go to work. I almost didn't even put my scrubs out last night because I was like, I am going to not even put my scrubs out because I'm just gonna manifest that I am not going to work tomorrow. But then I was like, if I don't put my scrubs out and I have to go to work, I'm gonna be mad at myself for not putting my scrubs out, because then I'm gonna be digging through my drawers at like 5 in the morning. So obviously I'm on my way to work. It's just like rainy and overcast, and when you just like mentally aren't there to go to work, I just want to be like cuddling in my bed and listening to rain. But realistically, that probably wouldn't happen either because I have kids at home. But mentally, that sounds amazing. I was supposed to be charged today in my ICU, and like I've talked about the last couple of videos, our census has been really low to the point where they've been able to cancel nurses, and a ton of nurses have been floating, which is what I was worried about today. Of if I'm doing a charged position but we don't have enough patients, then that automatically means that I'm like kind of just available to do anything. And I have not floated yet. Part of that is because I'm part-time. Part of that is because I'm constantly doing like the charge nurse role or other ICU skills that maybe not other nurses have. But I looked it up and I am not doing charge, but it does look like I'm in our neuro ICU today. So at least I'm in the ICU, and I just really, really hope it's a 1-to-1. I just need a little sprinkle of good luck because my mentality right now is not very good, but I'll be okay. Don't worry. By the time I get to work, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna drink some of my coffee and I will see my coworkers and I'll have a good day. Okie dokes, I made it to work. I don't have a bad attitude anymore. I'm ready to go in and have a great day. So I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.